If you want to create focus mode on iPhone 17 Pro or Pro Max, what you can do is you can open the settings, scroll down over here in order to find the focus option, and then over here in the upper right corner we have this plus button, so we can tap over here and you can choose one of these available preset options, or you can choose custom in order to create your own mode from the basics. So for example, we can set up our name and icon for the focus mode. We can go next, and then we can choose to customize the focus mode that we just created. Over here we can toggle intelligent breakthrough and silencing, which allows the mode to interrupt us with prioritized notifications. And also we can choose to reduce interruptions by choosing just the notifications you want. So you can choose people and choose apps that should be able to interrupt you with this mode being enabled. You can also customize your home screen and the lock screen over here. You can also create a schedule when you want to automatically enable this mode. We can press add schedule in order to create the automation based on the time, location, or app. We also have smart activation as well, and we can also add some custom filters as well, such as the AOD can be enabled or disabled. We can toggle the silent mode, the dark mode, and so on and so forth. And that's pretty much it. Once you set everything up, you can easily enable or disable the mode by going to the control center, for example. Over here we can tap on this button, and then you should be able to find your custom mode over here, and you can easily toggle it just by tapping on the button. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.